हायर ट्यूटोरियल में आपका स्वागत है।
वाक्य में सहायक क्रिया इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वेयर, कैन, कुड, शैल, शुड, माइट, मस्ट, मे, हैज, हैव, हैड, विल, डू, डिड, डज, एक्सेट्रा रहे तो सहायक क्रिया के बाद नॉट लगाकर वाक्य सकारात्मक से नकारात्मक में परिवर्तन किया जाता है। रूल: इफ द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वेयर, कैन, कुड, शैल, शुड, might, must, may, has, have, will, do, did, does, etc. Sentence is changed from positive to negative by putting a not. Change into negative. According to Rule 1, you should invite them to the party. Auxiliary word should. So, you should not invite them to the party. You must tell Sohan. Auxiliary word must. So, you must not tell Sohan. I have found many mushroom. Auxiliary word have. So, I have not found many mushroom. I will look after you. Auxiliary word will. So, I will not look after you. The birds were chirping. Auxiliary word were. So, the birds were not chirping. It was raining. Auxiliary word was. So, it was not raining. He has forgotten. Auxiliary word has. So, he has not forgotten. I am going to the market. Auxiliary word am. So, I am not going to the market. They are coming with us. Auxiliary word are. So, they are not coming with us. He is waiting for you. Auxiliary word is. So, he is not waiting for you. They were playing football. Auxiliary word were. So, they were not playing football. The boy can speak English very well. Auxiliary word can. So, the boy cannot speak English very well. You may borrow the car until. Auxiliary word may. So, you may not borrow the car until. They might like very hot food. Auxiliary word might. So, they might not like very hot food. Ram does his work sincerely. Auxiliary word does. So, Ram does not his work sincerely. They do their work. Auxiliary word do. So, they do not do their work. Gopal did something for his family. Auxiliary word did. So, Gopal did not something for his family. He could cross the river. He was young. Auxiliary word could. So, he could not cross the river. He was young. I shall be home tomorrow night. Auxiliary word shall. So, I shall not be home tomorrow night. He had been reading a book. Auxiliary word had. So, he had not been reading a book. कुछ वाक्य जिसमें have, has, had को दो तरीकों से लिखा जा सकता है. Some sentence in which have, had or has can be written in two ways. There are two types of English, Britain and American. So, first have के साथ do का प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, अर्थात have not या do not have. Second, has के साथ does का प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, अर्थात has not या does not have. Third, had के साथ did का प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, अर्थात had not या did not have. For example, I have a cow. Auxiliary word have. So, I have not a cow or I do not have a cow. Both sentences are correct, but you can write any one sentence. The girl had curly hair. Auxiliary word had. So the girl had not curly hair or the girl did not have curly hair. He has a gun. Auxiliary word has. So he has not a gun or he does not have a gun.